shells. Need some more shit. Over here, man.
Pigs be here any minute, man.
All right, we're ready.
You ready for him?
This is for Brother Malcolm, Brother Martin, and being a motherfucking pig.
Now!
Come on, man. Damn. Get inside. Get inside. Where? Get inside. Stay down. Stay down. Stay down, little Bobby. Stay down.
Down, get him down.
Go! Go!
Come on.